AAG Division in Orange Tea presents to you this amazing property. Functional kitchenette for those who love to cook. High floor with unblocked view. Enjoy exceptional views from your home. Spacious master bedroom that can fit a good-sized bed. Soak in the bathtub to unwind your day. Large wardrobe space for your clothing collection. Spacious bedrooms for your family. Let your imagination run wild to transform this house. Amazing unit, isn't it? Make this your home today. Call our AAG Real Estate Consultant to find out more. AAG, the #1 top division in Orange Tea and Thai.